Quick and effortless, the new KINCROME ratcheting pipe cutter slices through PVC piping and rubber hoses with absolute precision. With a cast aluminium body and SK5 replaceable steel spring blades, we've built a tough tool for cutting into piping up to 42mm in size. The PVC dipped handles provide a comfortable grip, while the ratcheting feature reduces stress and fatigue from prolonged use of the cutter. Ideal for professionals and DIYers alike, the ratcheting pipe cutter is the perfect tool for fast, clean cuts every time.